This is pig test number 4, pig socks.
Hi, I'm Mike from New Pig. Today we're back in the Absorbatory to talk about pig socks. Not those kinds of socks. Pig socks are the products that started the contained absorbent revolution. They work great to stop spills from spreading and can absorb all sorts of fluids that might leak and cause problems in your facility.
Before New Pig invented the pig sock in 1985, the standard procedure for dealing with spills was to throw loose clay all over the place. But all that did was create a different and worse mess that had to be dealt with. Pig came up with the idea to contain the absorbent in an outer skin that would be easy to put down and pick up again after the fluid was absorbed.
The pig sock and New Pig were born and changed the way leaks and spills have been managed ever since.
The pig sock uses a durable polypropylene skin that quickly grabs and pulls fluids to the absorbents inside. The internal absorbents then capture and retain the fluids so nothing leaks back out. Watch how much liquid our pig super absorbent sock can actually absorb. With this kind of absorbent power, all you need to do is put the socks around the spill, then pick them up for disposal when ready. No need to make a mess to clean up a mess. Many customers put socks in places where leaks occur most often as a great way to prevent fluids from ever reaching the floor or forming puddles.
New Pig has developed different pig socks to deal with every kind of leak and spill problem you may run into. We use different fillers, skins, and treatments to match socks for specific applications.
Here are the most common fluids our universal, oil-only, and hazmat socks absorb. From acids to water, we've got you covered.
As you can see, we have a whole family of socks that are ready to help you deal with any kind of leak and spill problem you may run into. From your friends at New Pig, here's to a job well done.